In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Calendly email notifications. Now, if you're someone who uses Calendly to manage your appointments and meetings, you know how convenient it can be. But sometimes those automatic email notifications can become overwhelming, especially if you prefer to manage reminders and updates on your own terms. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step to disable those email notifications for specific events or even across multiple events. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you typically use. Then head to the Calendly homepage by typing www.calendly.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This is the quickest and most direct way to access the platform. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be presented with several login options. You can choose to continue with your Google account, your Office 365 account, or simply use your email and password. Pick the option that works best for you and sign in to your account. This step is important because logging in ensures that you're accessing your specific Calendly settings and not just browsing the general site. If you're logging in with Google for the first time, Calendly may ask for permission to access your Google account information. This is a standard process for apps that integrate with Google services, so don't worry, just review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is where you manage all your events and settings. From here, look for an option labeled Event Types or, in some cases, My Events. It should be easy to spot on the dashboard. Click on that to view a list of all the event types you've created. Now, from the list of event types, locate the specific event for which you'd like to turn off email notifications. Click on that event to open its settings. This will take you to a detailed configuration page where you can customize various aspects of the event. Within the event settings, look for a section labeled Notifications and Workflows. This is where all your notification settings, including email notifications, are managed. Click on that section to access the notification options. In the Notifications and Workflows section, you'll need to find the specific setting for email notifications. Depending on your version of Calendly, this might appear as an icon, a text link, or even a menu represented by 3 dots. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Take a moment to explore the options in this section. Once you've located the email notification setting, click on it to open the menu. Here you should see an option to turn off email notifications. In some cases, this might be a toggle switch that you can disable, or it could be labeled as off depending on how it's displayed. Go ahead and select the option to turn off email notifications for this event. Now, if you have multiple event types and you want to disable email notifications for all of them, you'll need to repeat this process. Go back to your list of event types, select the next event, and follow the same steps, navigating to Notifications and Workflows, locating the email notification setting, and turning it off. This ensures that your notification preferences are consistent across all your events. If at any point in the future you decide to re-enable email notifications or make adjustments, you can always revisit the Notifications and Workflows section for the relevant event type. The process will be exactly the same, so you can easily make changes whenever you need to. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn off email notifications in Calendly for specific events or multiple event types. If you don't already have a Calendly account and want to get started, just use the link in the description to sign up. So now you know exactly how to take control of your Calendly notifications and minimize unnecessary emails. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.